Hello.
Hello.
Whoa, you sound like a video game voice.
I sound like a video game voice.
Yeah, like like the narrate or like the person who like gives you instructions. That's what you sound like.
In this episode,
Well, are you like a voice actor?
no,
Oh
I
shit,
am not.
that's
I am not
you.
a voice actor. This is me.
Wow, that's incredible.
I mean, I think it's my mic. Actually, I don't know. Could be. That's just
It's cool. I feel like I'm in a simulation all of a sudden.
you are.
How do I get out of here?
You can't. You're a battery.
Oh shit.
Haven't you seen The Matrix?
No, okay. So it's been on my to watch list, but then I keep procrastinating it because like I want to be like in the right setting to watch it. You know,
You just have to do it.
I just have to do it.
So I'm on here drawing people tonight.
Oh really?
Yes. So can I draw you real quick?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Last person who drew me literally wrote "You're dumbass" and then showed it to me.
What?
It was so funny.
That sucks.
No, it's okay. I was having a great time.
I mean, as long as you had a good time with
Yeah. So do you like draw for a living or is this just like a hobby?
it. I make money.
That's cool. Do you enjoy it or like are you just doing it because you just know how to do it?
I enjoy it.
That's good. I hate my major, so
What's your major?
just like I had to find something that I actually enjoy.
What
But I
what do
don't know,
you
it's too
do?
late for me to switch my major now.
What is it?
Chemical engineering.
Chemical engineering? I mean, what was your initial goal with that major?
I wanted to make money.
So, I mean,
That's usually what everyone goes in thinking. And I liked chemistry, and I was like, engineering seems fun. So I was like, I guess chemical engineering is my thing.
chemical engineering.
Yeah.
What kind of
What-
job can you do getting with a chemical engineering degree?
So it's actually like a really broad field. Like, I can do work with like plastics, paper, oil. You can even do like microchips and stuff, which I think is kind of cool.
You should go
Batteries.
work for Elon.
Oh my god. That's what everyone like one of my friends like she actually wants to go into batteries and renewable resources and everyone's like you got to go to Tesla.
Well, they're like, well, if it's like microchips and stuff like that too, like
Yeah.
you can work for his he's probably still doing the application process for his brain chip thing.
He has a brain chip.
Yeah, he does. What the hell is it called? Neuralink. Neuralink.
Really, I'm going to look that up.
Yeah, like they had like a press conference like maybe a couple months ago, and it was more like a calling all hands type of recruiting.
Oh my god. This is really cool.
But yeah, they're doing like brain microchip implants.
It's kind of scary, but I think it has interesting applications.
Yeah, they had like they had it with pigs when they did the initial presentation. It was pretty interesting. So basically they want to be able to, like, people with paralysis, they're going to rewrite the brain in order to make new pathways.
Ooh,
Like there's a lot of,
that's really neat.
and then of course there was the I can control my TV with my mind type of stuff too.
No more having to get up to find the remote.
No, or like answer your phone through your head type of thing.
Oh my god.
And then at some point in the future, everybody's gonna have one. We can just communicate like by
It's like in Cars. Have you seen Cars? Like Cars 3?
I think I did once.
Okay, so they all have like phones But like obviously they can't just like go into like their bodies and like pick it up. So I don't know. I guess we're becoming Cars from Cars 3.
I think we're all robots. We're all in the Matrix right now.
Oh, I have to watch it. Oh my goodness. Like the only thing I know from the Matrix is like the dodging bullets scene.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's iconic.
I'm almost done.
Don't worry, I'm having a good time.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I try to do these pretty quick because people end up getting bored. But
Yeah, I'm usually like on call with people and then sharing my screen while on Omegle. This is my first time that I've just been like, let's just go on for fun.
that's cool.
So normally like I always hear them in the background being like, tell them this, tell them this.
Oh, like on a Discord?
Yeah.
So I actually do these for my TikTok page.
Oh my god. All of TikTok's gonna know that I hate my major. What's your at? I'll follow you.
So the way I do it is I just put in like the initial like what's up, and then I speed up the drawing part, and then I put like the reaction.
Okay.
That's my TikTok. My TikTok, my Twitch, my Instagram, my Twitter.
Whoa, your art is so cool. Wow, this is really neat.
Thanks. So where are you from?
I'm from Texas.
Getting a lot of people from Texas tonight.
Really?
Yeah. The last two people I talked to were from Texas.
Oh shit. Big ass state.
I was thinking about moving there.
Really? Which city?
Like the Austin area.
Oh, I love Austin. I don't really go that often because I'm like 7 hours from Austin, but it's like one of my favorite places in Texas.
Yeah, I have some family and friends out there, so thinking of going that way. I'm in
That sounds
California
like-
right now.
Oh, okay.
So expensive here, though.
Yeah, I've only been to California twice, and like the first time I went, it was San Francisco, and I was like, oh my god, like everything was so expensive there.
I mean, that's like the tourist spot, so there's
Yeah,
everything's
my
crazy.
my cousin's wife, she like works at Facebook there, and so we were there to visit them, and so we were like, might as well see San Francisco, and like, I was literally so shocked.
Did you get to go to like the Facebook campus?
Yeah, I did. We went like in the middle of the night though, so there wasn't really that much to see.
I don't know. I don't remember the last time I actually opened my Facebook page though.
I only opened it to clear my notifications, so I get that.
I just opened the messenger part, and that's pretty much it. Like, I have not updated my Facebook page in years.
Yeah, I only update it to like post a picture with my family for like my other family members, and then like they're happy with it, I'm happy with it, it's fine.
Yeah, I don't think Facebook. Like, I don't know.
Yeah,
I people
hate
don't use it
Facebook.
anymore, and like I can't. There's too much garbage on there.
Like, my parents and my brother, they like are constantly on Facebook, and they're always like, did you see this person's post? Did you see this person's post? And I'm like, no, I don't open it.
Like, I'd probably open my MySpace more than a Facebook.
I'm not old enough like for MySpace. Like, I mean, not like I'm not.
I kind of wonder if my MySpace is still around. I don't know.
I think MySpaces are still around because a lot of like my older friends are like, I wonder if my account's still around, and then they like look it up and they like actually find it. I think.
I just wouldn't know what my password is. That's the thing. It's been like
Yeah.
maybe 10 years since I opened my MySpace.
Right.
Okay, are you ready for your drum?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa! That is so cool! Oh my god!
There it is.
This is the best drawing I've ever seen of myself. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I love this. Thank you.
So it's okay if I post that?
Yeah, of course.
Cool.